David, yeah, you just sit there lapping up the shekels, yeah, from all these books you get promoted with all these publishing companies that they don't want to know about other people's stuff. They want in the clicks, yeah, in these various locations around the UK I'm fully aware of, yeah. So you crack on, yeah, doing what you do, talking 80% truth about chemtrails, but not really getting down to the important stuff that has been mentioned and ignored by certain trolls around here recently, as shills, mentioning no names. Yeah, but we'll come back to that subject another time. Yeah, so you crack on, mate. Yeah, send your fucking shill troll, what's his name? Some Kinderscout. We all know about the scouts, don't we? Bird boy guy, yeah, to my channel to chat shit, call Jay Davis a slag when he just can't converse with me anymore because I'm just owning him too hard. Yeah. You keep sending people like that to my channel, mate. This is to your handlers as well. That keeps happening, yeah. Oh dear. Kiss goodbye to your channel and your books and your fucking money and everything, bro. Because I'll destroy it. Yeah. Do you want me to make that my mission from now on? To just like forget about the bird code, forget about all the other stuff. Just concentrate. Just concentrate on you. Would you like that? You call your fucking bird boys off. Later.